and they would be sons of what we call the creative force of will, or who. When you speak in that tone, it's really three tones in one, or three dots, or three points in existence. Or the first, what we're talking about, the first set of what we call, you deal with non-ether in that three sets of darkness. The first set of darkness got quirks, and those are I'm sorry, masculine and feminine forces, not positive and negative. I'm sorry. So these beings would be what you call in the highest form of matter, the highest form of physical being could be. So you're dealing with 9 ether, 7, 8, 9. You're dealing with the three sets of darkness, and you understand the darkness is not really darkness. It's a sense of you not being able to see the fire seed or the light that comes through, prisms of energy. So you would take that, that a 9 is a spiral, and a 9 is three sets of energy, or three sets of subatomic particles, or three sets of these forces of will that are deities, and these deities are cherubim. And you understand, so Seraphim would be let me give you an example. So positive and negative forces after Atum, right, which is when the atom is created, you have positive and negative forces. So, but before the positive and negative forces, this is the atom, or the manifestation of the cherubim after things are brought into a sun or ray, right? You have that positive and negative. But when you go and a neutral force, so the sun is a dynamo, or this trinity of positive, negative, and neutral forces, right? So the seraphim is the spectrum of light, or the magnetic spectrum. So the cherubim would be the things that we call particles, but this is an illusion of these things that we call suns, right? And the seraphim would be the spectrum of light, or the magnetic light that comes from the electromagnetic spectrum. You understand these are two halves of each other, and there is no separation between the two. It's just like a downstep process, like from being a higher version of yourself to downstepping yourself to a different form of yourself. And the only way you can do that is through these frequencies and these tones. Now in the next video, I'm not gonna put it in this video. In the next video, I'm gonna talk about the chromatic scale and the different things like that with the music and things like that. But when it comes to this, y'all understand that these are etheric beings, meaning these are beings that come before hydrogen, and they manifest as hydrogen. And then once they manifest as hydrogen, you could take the elements in hydrogen, meaning these masculine and feminine forces, none and none net, and you can start to